Thank you, Mr. President, for sharing this health advice. Whatever he said in this video was the truth. And as a health advocate, a physician assistant, it's very important that you listen to what President John Dramani Mahama shared in this video because it's very, very important. We need to learn from what he said. And after watching this video, find time and share this video to a friend and family, a loved one, for them to also learn something from this video.
That we must eat less sugar. For those of us who say they have a sweet tooth, you better be careful because it is a passport to diabetes. I went to the Sweden Ghana Cancer Center and they conducted me around. And one of the places I went was their lab. So when you come and you have breast cancer or you have cervical cancer or you have some cancer, they do what they call a biopsy. So they take a piece of tissue from the organ and then they go to see if there's a cancer or what kind of cancer it is. And one of the things they put in the solution where they put the tissue is sugar. And I asked, why do you put sugar? It says cancer loves sugar. And so sugar is a trigger for cancer. So you might eat a lot of sugar, but your body is immune to diabetes, so your sugar level is fine. But excess sugar also triggers all kinds of cancers and all that. So eat sugar in moderation. But not only sugar, carbohydrates. Because when the body takes in carbohydrates and you don't use physical energy to utilize the carbohydrate because it's supposed to give you energy, the body converts the carbohydrate and stores it as fat. So let me repeat again. For those who come home late and ask for a big bowl of akple with fetridechi or a wakple, you are killing yourself slowly. If you eat a wakple or you eat banku or akple, eat it in the afternoon. In the night, just have something light. And always eat early. By 7 o'clock, you should have finished eating. And don't go to bed immediately after you eat. Sit, watch TV, do a few things. Then around 9:30, you can prepare and go to bed. You still get the 7-8 hours of sleep you need by 5 o'clock in the morning. And you can still wake up and go to work.
I hope this video was helpful to you. Share this video to a friend, a family member, and loved ones. And also subscribe to this channel for more videos. And then like this video so that this video will reach a lot more people. My name is Oskojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession.